What is up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Holy shit, is this weekend gonna be awesome. First off, I'm going to be meeting up with some guys from the Midwest Auto Alliance, and we're going to be going up to Deadwood for what is known as the Cannonball Run, which is pretty much just a shit ton of supercars travel across the country, and they stay overnight in Deadwood. Well, I don't think they stay overnight, but the show is from about 4:30 to 6. The guys are planning on leaving at about 4. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Even though I made a wrong turn, I'm still somehow the first one here, because I'm not seeing anybody else. Alright, looks like someone else has arrived. Nice little Audi.
If it's the same one, I don't know.
Tell me, please don't tell me that Skyline is coming with.
Yeah, it's going.
Holy shit, this is gonna be cool.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh.
That's nice.
I think I'm gonna enjoy this now. Okay, so far turnout is pretty good. We have a nice looking Subaru, that Audi, and someone in the family, and an Infiniti G35, and there's this. A Nissan R32 Skyline. Holy shit. That's the coolest thing ever. I'm going to be cruising with the Skyline. Alright, looks like we're heading out. This is going to be sick. I love this. Alright, I'm guessing Justin in the blue Audi over there. I'm guessing he's going to be leading. Let me put up my sunroof so you guys can see it. I'm going to be going wherever the hell he's going. And the Skyline's right behind me. Okay, never mind. This Subaru's going right behind me. Shit, some of us got left behind. No! Nobody behind me. There's cars. Okay, here they come. I don't know if you guys can tell, but by how excited I am, but holy shit, this is awesome. This is my first cruise I've ever done with people. Alright guys, here we are, Deadwood, South Dakota. Population's around 1,600. Oh, so today's gonna be... I really do love my exhaust. I really do. But when it's in lower RPMs, sometimes I really wish I had an option to muffle it a little bit, because it's getting fairly annoying. There were some guys that were just checking out the guy's Skyline. All Lambos are Ferraris, and people are checking out the Skyline. Well, actually, I was doing it too. So, and they must have the street closed off or something. All right, here we are. I kind of already like what I see. I see an old Corvette. There's the trailer for the Cannonball Run. Nice Corvette. Justin found somewhere to park. Now this is going to be trouble for me. Okay. Oh, I just love that rear end. Okay, let's go in the parking garage. There has to be a spot over there somewhere. then already. The Porsche, and then there's a Huracan. I have to stop to get pictures, but holy Mercedes SLS. I am in love with the color on the Bentley. I am in love with it. An orange chrome wrap.
That's a 12-cylinder front end.
Insane. Cool. We're into the 458.
Yeah.
This is insane. Alright, now he's leaving, and the Bentley. Have a good day. Alright, time to go take a lap back around. Ferrari, California. I've never seen brake rotors that big. Or discs. Like the wrap, if only the yellow wasn't black. That'd be, not black, red. That'd be perfect. Oh, God damn it. Oh, I wanted to open. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh. I forgot these were here. That is sad. I just love seeing the doors that just.
I'm gonna close the door for a second, all right?
That was the most satisfying thing ever.
Buddy, I'm glad. This is what happened from the McLaren.
Note to everyone: don't touch their car unless they say it's okay. Anyway. Oh, I love that. I'm going to try to see if I can sit in that SLS for a sec.
Are you sure? It looks like the accelerator is brand new.
Don't touch.
You got it. You got it.
Help out.
Yes, I did. There's only one thing I want to do. Send it and start it up.
Don't we all? Start it up? Yes. If Tanner Fox was here, that'd make a great video. Oh, okay.
Sounds like that. started the video.
As soon as I pulled my phone out. God damn it. Aw. He won't rev it.
Did you say start a fire?
No, he said start off the engine and rev it.
No, but he was saying it would start a fire. Because it shoots flames.
I've seen it happen. I'm not doing it. That's what he said.
Yeah, like Aventadors, there was a recall because they would go up in flames because they would shoot such huge flames.
But I think they fixed it in the Huracan, didn't they?
Yeah, well, I'm not sure, but like, still start fires. You ready to know what it is?
I know it wasn't even
He said it was a Ferrari.
Memo.
Yeah. That one in the Great Strides thing called it a Ferrari.
A bit off.
Just a lot. Just by a lot. Getting away from the police car. Nice Huracan Spider. They're a little close. Don't hit the mirror. I love the forged carbon on there.
That's the way you do it, baby.
I was hoping to see an event score, but this is just as good.
He's gonna open it up.
Yeah, he just popped the engine.
Beautiful V12, honey.
It's a V10.
This is the V10.
Yeah.
Tire.
One way you can tell if it's a V12 is if it has the vertical doors.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's one of the additions for
Yep,
it.
you're right. V10.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job.
It's filthy. Looks driven, it looks good.
That's awesome.
Is that how Land Rover is supposed to be driven?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Team Policia.
Can I sit in it?
Let her go first.
Thank you. I'll put my comment.
Oh. I almost just dropped my camera.
Team Policia.
Yeah.
Thanks for bringing it out. Thanks for coming out. Where's your brother, sister, somebody? Dad, mom?
No.
No. You want, hold on. Go in there. You have your number? You give it to me, I'll text it to you. You want a picture?
He's leaving. Damn it. He also still has the front badge. I want to see if he still has the side. Very cool. Oh, yeah, he still has the side badging. Oh, he drives the car too. That's what's awesome. Wondering if I can.
Yeah, buddy.
Try not to scratch anything.
That'll be good. Because I'll have you on camera if you do.
Yeah, and I'm recording it right now.
So this goes this way, right?
Oh, this thing's a lot comfier than I thought.
That's pretty nice.
Thank you.
Oh, is that what you
Do they do it every year?
Well,
Just different route? Different route, yeah.
Kind of forgot there's a door there. Yeah, I kind of forgot.
Are you on the road?
Thanks, I really appreciate it.
That's that.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, a guy spilled right on it. Like that. He spilled on the Lambo. But that's a
Let's find them.
Yes.
That is sacrilege to spill on a Lambo. Okay, time to get away from the police car. Let's take a look at this. I like the chrome wrap on it. Oh. It has the emo eyes. Yep.
Oh, God, car is so dirty.
Yes, 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 yes. Come on. Yes. Oh my God. Please red line. I want it to red line. Oh. Oh.
What? There's so many cameras.
Alright, so I'm gonna walk. Alright? Let me try that.
Oh my God. He's leaving. It's a GT3? I can't really tell, it just looks like a bunch of static. Oh, I love that wrap on it. Okay, you guys did not see these earlier, so I'm gonna go take a look at these. I love the Merkin wrap on it. Fuck, where'd I put the camera? It's all-wheel drive. Come on. Okay, now let's go take a look at the Corvettes.
Wait, we got one more. Another one coming.
Oh. Oh shit. Panamera looks like. Oh, Challenger's leaving. Guy's gonna do a burnout.
You got told the wrong information outside. Let's hear it. Don't just do sauce. Let's hear it.
Come on. Come on.
Good job. Thank you.
Ooh.
Thank you.
A little bit of rollback. Oh, this guy's a Challenger. It's. Come on. Whoa. Oh. Oh. See it shaking? Come on. Oh, geez. Oh, shit.
You're moving now.
Yeah, Bent gotta leave. Had enough of it.
And this car is the Countach.
Lamborghini.
Yeah.
I get the Diablo. I can't afford a Countach. Let's stand back.
The guy said he was leaving. What the fuck?
Oh, he just put the top down.
God damn it.
Nobody moves.
This guy's not even going to rev it up a bit.
No,
better.
he's a cop. I gotta set an authority figure.
No, he doesn't want to rev it because he doesn't want to start a fire.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Blow up his engine.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's
He's seen too many people do that, he said.
Yeah.
Yeah, then he gets on. Yeah, all this stuff's timed too. You can't go too fast.
So you're from Rapid?
Yeah.
You hit a G3 rods?
No, I haven't.
Jeez, that's real horsepower. V8s.
That's old school horse.
3 on the tree.
That's why I'll show you a picture of some of the cars they bought here.
Please kind of read.
Oh, here come another Bentley.
Thank you. Come again.
Yes.
Yeah. Just lean on him.
Yeah.
Get in your softbox.
I was hoping to see an event store here, but I've already seen like 2 of them when I was in LA.
You've seen him? You've actually like seen him.
So you need to like these guys, Rapid.
All right.
This is the company I work for. They own a commercial painting business, but I also get to see all this shit that these guys build.
Yeah.
Don't get rid of this yet.
Go get mommy a Lambo.
Oh, why?
Our first rodeo.
I think we have the better sound gunshots. It's called an Aston Martin.
I'm stealing you. If your parents ask.
Oh man, I love the interior. Oh my god.
I don't really see it. I guess we're all against you.
Holy shit.
Wow. I'll stop that about.
Well, first,
Actually, me too. I understand. This is me being a kid. This is not being an adult.
Oh, the SLS. Oh yes. Perfect. Holy. These are a lot comfier than I thought they'd be. Love the carbon fiber steering wheel. I want to ask, but I know they're going to say no. I love the carbon fiber accents. The shift lights. Yes. The carbon fiber accents in it. Oh, I'm in love.
$10 steering wheel.
$8 grand.
Yeah.
Oh.
So this is an
Yeah.
LED light strip.
Yeah, the shift lights.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
So you know that. And the start button and
Yeah.
the magneto that adjusts
Yeah.
the suspension, bumpy road button, headlights, steering, windshield wipers, turn signals. There's no stocks. Everything is controlled on the steering wheel, so you never have to take your hands off the steering wheel. Horn buttons up here too. It's just it's a carbon fiber.
Yeah, I'm just in love with it. And I want to ask you something, but I know you're going to say no. Can I start it up? And give it a little rev, please.
I don't know if I have the key, maybe. Don't go anywhere. Don't
pro-
run down any people.
I promise you I won't.
Okay.
You.
You have the key far enough. Foot on the brake and push the start button. Now, just give it, just goose the gas a little bit. A little more than that. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. All right. That's a first. There you go.
no way.
No, I got to do that. That was, I didn't expect someone to do that for me. Holy shit, I did not think someone would actually let me rev their supercar. Holy shit. 458. I think the FF sounded better. That just topped off the entire day. Being able to rev something $100,000 car. And I'm pretty sure it's a V12. Someone in the comments, please let me know. I have no idea.
Okay, so I'm going to come down here and take pictures and pilot her in the car on the street. And he had to help her out. And I said, thank you very much.
He knows that my
I just scratched something off my bucket list. Again,
My life.
I got to rev a Ferrari.
Did you drive one? In 75, like 5 feet. Lotus is
No, I just had to rev it. Got to like 6,000 RPM.
The lady was very English at the dealership in Taylor, Colorado. You sit here. Okay.
Come on, go.
I like that.
Where is iced tea?
Alright, so sadly I was not able to sit in a Lamborghini, but I was able to open the door of an SLS, rev a Ferrari FF, and I think that covers it. Oh my god, I saw him at Cool Deadwood Nights. Oh my god. It's a small world. Just normal trailer. Oh, I don't know how I'll have any better day in my life. Especially with that. Come on, go, go. Punch it, punch it, punch it. Punch it. Damn it. Alright, it's 6:37. I was just told that it was supposed to go from about 4:30 to 6:30, so I'm just gonna get in good old Brittany. It's gonna feel like shit compared to what I just sat in. God damn it. And anything else? Okay, no. I think I have a good idea where all of them are staying. Just a hunch, because I just saw the, because it may or may not have just saw the SLS go up in there. Yep, there they go. I knew they were going to go in there. That guy's trying to show off when there's a fucking Aston Martin here. That's cute. Alright everyone, I really hope you enjoyed the video yesterday. Everybody, all the footage you just saw was filmed yesterday. I was going through all of it and I realized I haven't filmed an outro like I have with most of my videos. But I really hope you enjoyed. Hit like and subscribe if you did. Until next one, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.